welcome to my channel. As you can see, blizzard. Yep, we got winter storm warning and we're in a blizzard. Visibility is like a block and a half. This is Twin Cities, Minnesota. Hopefully you're doing well. You're enjoying yourself. You're enjoying your day, evening, night, whatever time you're watching this video. Thank you for joining. Drive with me here in Twin Cities. Let's see how the road conditions are. As you can see, visibility is pretty low. It's a lot of snow coming down. The temps are in the 20s. Right now it's 26. So the snow is just turning into slushy thing. Slushy slash whatever you want to call it. Yeah, Twin Cities, Minnesota. We go through this every year for 5 months. The snow starts in November, go all the way to April the following year. It's all good. See people walking. It's Minnesota. Life continues. If this is the first time for you to visit, give us a like, subscribe, support the work. Give a like on this video. You can leave a comment. Let me know what you think about driving in a blizzard in Twin Cities, Minnesota. If you are subscribed, thank you so much. And I see the plow came through because I can see the street is plowed because it's a major street. Usually they plow the interstate and highways first. That's a state job, and then the counties and the cities. I think the counties do the major cities and the major streets, and then the cities do the little streets. Those are the ones that are plowed last. So you can be stuck on your side street, little street, but then when you go to the main streets, you find no issues, and interstates and highways are better as far as being plowed first. You can't see it because of the snow, but we have a football field over there. It's called Frogtown. That's where my kiddo has been playing football since 2021. It's called Frogtown Community Center. It's been snowing all morning. It's afternoon right now. It's almost 3 in the evening. It's snowing all day. Gonna see the difference. Gonna go to Interstate 94. It connects Minnesota, North Dakota, Wisconsin, and beyond. I'm sure it's still gonna be slow drive, but it's gonna be better than these streets. Whiteout. This is Interstate 94 going west towards Minneapolis. Be surprised to see a car in the ditch, but well, I don't wish anyone to be in the ditch, but I'm saying sometimes some idiots will drive too fast, road conditions don't allow it, they hit a patch of ice or they hit the brakes and the road is slippery, they just end up way up there. Again, this is Twin Cities. See some lights over there, snow plows coming through. You can see them going east. They usually go in pairs. That's like 5 of them. It slows down the traffic behind them, but then the interstate gets cleared. Probably it's hard for you to see on camera, but to my left you can see lights going east. Traffic has slowed down significantly because of the snow plows going east. Okay, I'm gonna exit here. I'm gonna go shopping at Target. Take it easy. If you're in Minnesota driving, of course you know what to do. You stay safe, and if you don't live in Minnesota now, you see what we go through every winter. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Again, spread love. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Come back and watch the playlist. If there's a first time for you to visit, I appreciate if you can come back, watch more videos, leave comments, give a like. Peace out.